Hey everyone, it is Wednesday, August 9th, 2023. Welcome to our Wednesday webinar here at the International Institute of Aesthetic Arts and Beauty. Today, our webinar is going to be covering our machines that are administered in our student kits for individuals that choose to add a little bit extra to their program. You will see a skin scrubber, which is also known as a BT Micro, that is used with ultrasonic technology to provide oscillations and vibrations in the skin to help lift, exfoliate, deep cleanse, and help product absorption. We also have what's known as a BT Analyzer, which is going to analyze the hydration levels in the skin. That's really, really good for our dehydrated skin types to understand possibly what's causing some of the issues they may be having if they're lacking water. We also have the NeuroDerm, which is a version of high frequency, which is going to help oxygenate the skin, kill bacteria, and sanitize the follicle all at the same time. Also, in the kit, you get a little analyzer. So it's called like a BT scrub brush analyzer, where it goes through and it's similar to like a regular facial brush, and it's just lightly exfoliating the skin while you have on a scrub or soap or some type of product to help penetrate into the skin to rough off the dead skin cells. And lastly, you get a small magnifying lamp to where you're able to see different lesions that you may not necessarily be able to see with the naked eye. So this is a little intro into our student kits. They're all handheld devices, nanotechnology to help enhance the facial treatment for clients that students are really interested in using devices. As always, thank you for tuning in to our Wednesday webinar. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. We have an upcoming class start on August 22nd for our day program and a nighttime class start on September 19th. So you or someone you know is interested in becoming a licensed esthetician or lash technician, please feel free to email us at info@iob.education. Call our admissions line at 469-287-2837. You can also tweet us on Twitter, if it's still called Twitter. You can DM us on Instagram and Facebook, and you can also like our pages. As always, stay safe, stay warm, unless you're in Texas, stay cool, and we will see you next time.